Angibingelele, ngibengifisa nami ukuthi ngithi ukungena kancane odabeni oluncane engizothi mhlampe asithi anginalo ulwazi lwayo ngoba angithandi ukufundisa kakhulukazi ngenza amavidiyo. Ngiyabona khona impi engathi iyasuka phakathi kokuthi ingelosi nesithunywa, izinto eziwu-2 engahlangani ezihlukile. Cha, kulungile. Umbono wami omncane uzothi mhlambe ngenze ukuthi sibanga noma abantu abaphikisanayo babanga lento ngesingisi sithi i-terminology, kubangwa igama, kubangwa itemu, ngcono ngisho kanjalo. Kodwa uma sibuka i-functionality or i-job description, mhlampe ngathi usinikeza kancane enye i-view, sike siyibuka into ngenye indlela, singabi nawo futhi ama-emotions ukuthi ubani owazi kangcono, ubani owazi kakhulu. Ngoba kwesinye isikhathi izinto siyayiphimisela kanti sizama ukukhombisa ukuthi sazi kangakanani. I-angel ingelosi, so I'm assuming ukuthi it's a direct translation from isiNgisi to isiZulu, right? Isithunywa, it is a function. Awukwazi ukuhlukanisa isithunywa nengelosi ngoba ingelosi isuke ithunywe uNkulunkulu ukuthi mayihambe iyokwenza umsebenzi othize, whether that is a short-term task or it's a long-term task, still usathunyiwe ukuthi wenze loyo msebenzi. So uma ngabe ungeke uthathe direct translation from angel to ingelosi, you would say ukuthi isithunywa. Angazi ukuthi mhlambe sesifike kuphi thina ukuthi silimithe amandla kaNkulunkulu ukuthi mhlambe sithi uNkulunkulu akasoze athumela kanje, uNkulunkulu akasoze athumela kanje, uNkulunkulu uyohlezi ethumela kanje. Ngifuna ukwenza umzekeliso. One, ingelosi uma ngabe ifika kuMaria ithunyiwe, uGabriela loyo njengoba abanye benu bemkhotha, uMaria akayifuni introduction, akasho ukuthi ungubani. I think one day fanele ukuthi nizibuze that very critical question, ukuthi kwenzeka kanjani ukuthi angabuza nokubuza ukuthi ungubani. uMaria ebuza uGabriela, it was just automatic ukuthi she knew. You must ask yourself that question. Ekubeni abanye bethu bangabe kumele baphahle bayabuza ukuthi ngicela ukuthi niziveze ukuthi ningobani, nizisho ukuthi ningobani. I think then you'll catch it. Yebo sikhona isithunywa sasekhaya, ngoba ukhona umuntu ekhaya owayekade ekhuleka, and ngokumsebenzi wemkhuleko yakhe God may have seen it fit ukuthi akabuye azowenza umsebenzi as a messenger. Ngebhadi if ukuthi you even bother to Google, I think i-meaning ye-angel, it's very clear. Awukwazi ukuhlukanisa the word angel with a messenger, and a messenger is thunywa. You can't divorce the two. But now la ngifuna ukufaka khona a twist to this whole entire debate. Ngifuna ukunibuza ke mina ukuthi ngoba ngithe kubangwa terminology, ngifuna nikhumbule ukuthi ngithe kubangwa i-term esetshenziswayo. Uma ngabe I hope ngiyosusa umsindo la. Ngiqale la. An angel is a spiritual being to act as an attendant or agent or messenger of God, conventionally represented in human form with wings and a long robe. Anginandaba ke nalo mpetho loyo. Into ebalekile ukuthi it is a spiritual being to act as an attendant or agent or messenger of God. Then now I want to, without dwelling too much, ngabe siyaphika yini ukuthi uNkulunkulu unawamandla ukuthi thumele izingelosi zakhe ukuthi zihambe ziyohlala emanzini in any form sigade amanzi? Ngabe siyaphika yini ukuthi uNkulunkulu uyakwazi ukuthi athumele izingelosi zakhe ukuthi ziyohlala entabeni zigade intaba? Ngabe siyaphika yini ukuthi uNkulunkulu uyakwazi ukuthi abeke ingelosi zakhe ehlane? Siyaphika yini ukuthi uNkulunkulu uyakwazi ukubeka ingelosi zakhe emgedeni zigade lezo indawo? Mina nawe bangabe sikhuluma sithi nina banikazi bendawo, ngoba banikazi bendawo ngani na? Ngenxa yokuthi banikeziwe leyo ndawo ukuthi mabayigade. They are agents and messengers and their task ukugada lezo indawo. Unless nithi leyo nto leyo niyayiphika, then we need to then revisit igama lesithunywa sithi labantu abakulezo indawo lezo abathunyiwe. Quickly, let me just tap into another one. Uma ngabe idlozi lifika, alifiki yini idlozi likhulume nomuntu likhipha ama-instructions or lisho elikushoyo, kube khona i-dialogue between this person nedlozi, kuhambe kuvele umnikazi womsebenzi? Shuthi leli liqalile lavela noma laba bavelile bathunyiwe, egcineni base kunikezwa umuntu who is entrusted with a task, entrusted with loyo msebenzi. Entrusted by who? I will say by God. When uzothi by who? Ngoba ngifuna sithathane kahle, singayithathi nge-violence, yabo sithathe kahle. So the person umnikazi womsebenzi akahlukile nalowo umnikazi wamanzi, akahlukile nalowo umnikazi wentaba, akahlukile nomnikazi womgede nomnikazi, because that's what they are entrusted with. And ngoke hierarchy, they can send anyone to go before them ukuthi behambe bewenza umsebenzi. Something to think about. Angithi ngikhuluma ngedlozi ngil-aligna negama elithi angel isithunywa ngoba ngithi bathunyiwe. Something for you to think about. Let's maybe put another twist. Now, ngifuna ukuthi kwawena wisithunywa, kwawena ke uqobo lwakho wisithunywa, in the hierarchy of things ulapha ya ugijima la emhlabeni ukuthi wenze izinto uthunywe zona, then tell me that I'm wrong. Either ngokuthi whether uthunywe idlozi noma uthunywe ingelosi, but egcineni kwawena uyini wisithunywa. I wanted to add that twist to you. Angeke ngize ngibaphikise abantu abathi bona babona uGabriel because bakusinye spiritual level, kodwa 4 years wakala, coming from a long distance away, without being throwing an insult to anyone. One thing that I know, Maria akaifunanga introduction ka Gabriela because they would have come from the same lineage, same bloodline, same. So konstitution sasemanzini yasasentabeni kanjalo kanjengoba ngichazile ngithi mina even nalo idlozi ithunyiwe kuwena, even nawe uqobo lwakho uthunyiwe. So uyabona ukuthi kahle kahle kubangwa i-terminology and not i-functionality. I-functionality ikhomba yonke into ukuthi sonke sithunyiwe, from the bottom, which is us, to the top, to the archangels. Doesn't matter ukuthi babiza ngani, doesn't matter ukuthi babiza ngenzunza, doesn't matter ukuthi sonke sithunyiwe, siyizithunywa. I will rest my case for now. I'm sure there's going to be a follow-up video after senubangile umsindo enizubanga. But I did not mean to create confusion, but I want to trigger your mind into checking the terminology versus the functionality. Is it not the same? Thank you.